Mechanical engineers really understand the needs of supplying power to and the safe operation of, and provide plenty of room for wiring harness for the products they design, said no electrical engineer ever. Here's another thing you probably never say. I think we should use a 3D modeling application instead of AutoCAD for panel layouts and ladder diagrams. Yeah, probably not. Hey, we get it. Autodesk introduced AutoCAD and DWG over 35 years ago, and it will continue to be the most efficient tool for electrical controls design for the foreseeable future. So this isn't an attempt to move you to 3D for electrical design. This is a discussion about using the right tool for the right task, so that product design and controls design, including your electrical layouts, can happen in parallel, reducing the painful back and forth of incremental updates. To do that, you need a common data model, one that works with both AutoCAD Electrical and Autodesk Inventor, a shared library of components, and bidirectional associativity so that when changes are made, they're reflected in both the 2D layouts and the 3D models. And let's be honest, you spend most of your time updating what you thought was a complete drawing, right? With the product design and manufacturing collection, it's all about using the right tool for the right job, and ensuring that where it makes sense to share data between disciplines, it requires no additional effort to exchange data between AutoCAD Electrical and Autodesk Inventor. We call this functionality the electromechanical utility. You'll call it the we spend less time on revisions utility. Either way, we think you're going to like it.